In this video, I'm going out on the street to show you exactly what local SEO is and also show you how valuable and effective it is to help you grow your business. First of all, people more and more want to spend their money locally. They want to stimulate the local economy. For example, I'm looking for a coffee shop. I don't necessarily want a national chain. I want a great one like this one right here, Summer Moon in Fort Worth. So I found that with a Google search. More and more people are doing that. And so take advantage of that. Yes, it's true that larger businesses still have an advantage even in local markets, but local search engine optimization can really give you an edge. A second reason why local SEO is so effective is simply the cost. Yes, is the barbecue sauce free? Okay, great. That's it. We all love free stuff. And when you're talking about Google marketing, you're talking about either paying per click or you're not. In the map section in organic, it's free. Those clicks are absolutely free. So you are going to spend some money on the front end to get there, to get in that organic section, but the bulk of the clicks are going to happen there. A third reason why local SEO is so effective in growing your business is because these phone searches generate action. They have high intent behind them and they're ready to make a purchase. Have you ever been sitting at a stoplight just thinking, I need a car wash? Where is there one near me? Do a search and lo and behold, next thing you know, you're in a car wash spending your money. And it all started with a Google local search. A fourth reason why local SEO is so effective in helping you grow your business, and it might be the most important reason, is that it generates sales. And not just small ticket items, but large ticket items as well. If you think about a need that you might have, like I had here at my home, with my fence falling down literally all around, I do a Google search, I find a reputable company that's nearby, it's got great reviews, a great track record. They come out, they give me a great bid, I invest in a new fence, and so it just generated a sale for this local business. You can start generating more and more sales if you're getting found more and more. A fifth and final reason why local SEO is so effective is that it gives you an advantage. It gives you an edge over your competitors. You may be looking to innovate yourself, to come up with a better service, better pricing, some way to get ahead of the competitors. Well, local SEO is the way your customers are trying to find your service or your product. And so there's no better way to get an advantage or an edge over your competitors than to get found more than your competitors. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding how the local search engine can effectively grow your business. If you'd like more information about our services, our specialty is local search engine optimization, national search engine optimization, as well as pay-per-click. I've been doing this business for 15 years. I've got a talented team around me just ready to work on your campaigns. So reach out to us. We'll get on a Zoom call, get on a phone call, begin to talk about your needs and your goals and see if our services are a good fit. Thanks and have a wonderful day.